night last night, and we stayed at my grandma's, and we're on our way to go surprise my mom. I'm so excited. I miss Maddox. His glasses are really awesome. But it's so weird being back in like the cold weather. It's freezing. I woke up with the stuffiest nose and the driest throat, and I'm dying. But there's not that much snow, which is kind of sad. But I'm so excited to see my family. Oh my gosh, so snow.
What? I can't believe that Braylee pulled that off. She wanted to go up and see her room, and I was like, oh, I was gonna clean it today. I've been talking about that, and today was the day that I was gonna get everything cleaned up, because then we would have an extra day tomorrow and everything would be sure to be nice and cleaned up here. But no, I did wash her bedding. Surprise! Like, well, now you can help me clean.
Oh my gosh.
The kids have kind of tried to take over her space at times, especially Layla, as you can see.
I forgot I left this candle up here. I knew.
I was gonna hang all your pictures up too.
And paint my walls.
I was gonna paint your walls, and then I was like, I don't know if I should paint them green if you're gonna move out.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, my makeup stuff. This was so weird.
All of your things.
I miss you. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, there's the wave wand I've been looking for. What? Just on the floor right there. Like, hi.
I brought it in here. Layla's definitely been using all my perfume.
Yeah, she has. She'll probably just have a pile of things in her room that she has as yours.
This is so weird. I miss my perfume so much.
Oh my gosh, so weird.
I'm so
Welcome
happy.
home.
Oh my gosh. What is this?
That's
a box cut.
Yep.
Perfect. I forgot all the stuff I left out.
Oh, did you? Did you forget?
Sadly. I'm so happy.
You have your space back.
And the
Yay.
room. It's kind of lonely. I kind of sad that I'm the one who sleeps in here.
You can sleep in my bed if you want, or Layla can come sleep up here with you.
Oh my gosh.
It's about to be Christmas break, so you won't be lonely because everyone will be here.
Oh my
and
gosh.
everyone's missed you, so everyone will just be driving you
so
crazy.
Want
to make your bed?
Yes.
Okay, let's make your bed. We're gonna go pick the kids up. I'm thinking,
Their presents.
yeah, I'm thinking that you should hide in the car. I'll go get them, and then we'll set the camera up, and then you hide in the car. So when they get in, you'll be like, surprise.
Okay.
Do you think?
Yeah.
So it's not so like crazy with all the other parents and kids.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
They're gonna freak out.
Excited.
They're gonna freak out. Rosie, wanna go outside and go potty? Rosie's been so excited. Come on.
She loves me.
I know. She literally was like just waiting on the stairs for you.
That's so cute.
Oh, she
Oh,
had to walk
hi,
outside.
freaking strep, I swear.
I hope you don't have strep.
Do you have cough drops?
Yeah. Yeah, right there. Hopefully it's just the change of the air in the season.
Yeah. Once I got on the plane for that.
But also traveling can make you sick, you know. Germs. All the germy germs. Okay, let's go get the kids. We're waiting. Waiting for the kids to get out.
so
oh my gosh. Braylee's just gonna crouch down right here and then pop up. Say surprise. And everyone's gonna freak out. And I'm gonna try not to cry. I was talking about you coming home. Just talking about you coming home the other day, and I was crying so hard I couldn't like even talk. I had to like.
Did you almost start crying when I surprised you?
I was so shocked. genuinely so shocked. Braylee was like...
She looks so confused.
Braylee was like, did you like kind of have an idea that I was doing this? I was like...
I like almost
No.
looked up a few times and I thought you would be able to tell. I was like, that's why we're flying home on Tuesday because it's cheaper. And she's like, you're flying home on Friday. And I was like, oh, yeah.
Well, you were supposed to fly home on Tuesday originally, so that's why I was just like...
I thought it was funny. I definitely thought you guys kind of knew.
She was showing me, like, she was recording when she FaceTimed me, and I was just like... Like, because I was
oh crap,
genuinely
she's mad.
so confused. I was just like, that's our house. And then I, like, in my mind, I was like, does she have someone here filming the house? I don't know why, like, my brain couldn't connect it.
You were like, what? And I was like, come outside.
It's like, wait, what?
That was so funny.
She was like, I've seen other people do this, and they're, like, screaming and, like, what? And I was just like...
I was like, am I frozen?
Like, your reception's really bad on the volcano. I was telling Braylee, on our way to school today, I was talking to the kids, and we were talking about, like, Braylee coming home. It's just something that we always talk about. And I was like, Braylee is on a volcano right now. Camping on a volcano right now. And Layla was like, is she gonna roll off? And I was like, why would she roll off, honey? And then I was thinking, if you draw a picture of a volcano, you know, they're usually like this. So she's thinking, like, how's she gonna stay on and not roll?
That's so funny.
Oh, it's funny.
I'm so excited to be home.
They're gonna freak out. Hopefully they won't just be like, what?
They're like, hey.
Now we have to figure out how to surprise Casey because he ended up staying longer on a hunt that they just went on. So he's in Illinois and he gets home tomorrow and he didn't know that she was coming home early either. So we're trying to figure out, like, how do we get there
He ruined my
without
plan.
him knowing? Huh?
He ruined my plan.
Well, he was going to come home when we originally thought Braylee was going to be home yesterday. And then she said that she was going to stay until Friday. So I was like, she's going to stay until Friday so you can stay out there longer. And little did I know.
Now we're screwed.
Little did I know. It will be
We're
fun.
gonna surprise him and we're gonna go do something fun.
Yeah, it will be fun to surprise him. But I was just thinking, how do, like, we could pick him up from the airport now,
Oh, yeah.
tomorrow. And how do we do that
We're
without...
gonna do that tomorrow. The kids are gonna miss school.
No, we can just drive home.
Oh, yeah. Wait, has he got a hotel yet?
I don't know. I'm going to text him. He's, like, busy during the day, you know, obviously, doing his
Yeah.
job. And so I don't talk to him during the day. And then nighttime is hard, too. So I haven't talked to... I actually did talk to him during the day yesterday, but I haven't talked to him today. So we need to get it all figured out. We will.
I'll just sit in the back when he's going to put in his.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Thanks.
He'll open it and be like, oh, surprise. Well, I just need to figure out what time he's going to be landing. Because if he lands earlier, then we could pick him up, go to dinner, go
Yeah.
to the lights,
Oh, that'd be so fun.
and then come home. Unless you want to stay. If you wanted to stay.
I'm over other people's
Yeah.
beds.
Braylee was like, I just want to sleep in my bed. Which I was like, I understand.
Yeah.
I also
miss
really love my bed.
You know what I do miss? My bug net. So much.
I can get you them for Christmas. You
They're
can put
so
it-
nice.
She had to sleep in a bug net the whole time she was gone.
It felt like our own little room in our bug net, like we could zip up our door.
You're like, leave me alone.
Goodbye.
I need
It's
my privacy.
mesh, but
Yeah, just a bug net.
Oh
Okay,
my
I'm gonna go get Layla. Okay, Winston gets out later, so push record in a second. I'm afraid my battery's gonna die.
is Layla gonna come first?
I'll wait for Winston out there. Freezing.
Surprise!
Winston, what's in this blanket? Braylee's home. She surprised us.
I looked at you. I was like, I thought you had the phone. I looked back and I just saw Braylee.
Yeah, they both, when I said surprise, were staring at you. It's like right here.
Like, where's that coming from? Can you believe that?
I'm gonna do that to Gage.
Yeah, I surprised Mom this morning.
You did?
Yeah, Maddox picked me up from the airport. So she didn't even know I was coming home.
I thought she was staying till Friday. Braylee's home! Yay! You're so happy?
Yeah.
Okay, get in your seat.
Okay, let's get buckled.
Are you...
Everyone's just in shock. Everyone's like, what? Grandma was here picking up Elliot.
Really? Is she still here?
No.
Aw.
Getting soda.
I'm so
We have to stop at all Braylee's favorite places.
It's been so long.
Everything's gonna be like new
We
and
could get
taste
Dr.
better.
Pepper for $14. So,
What?
Yeah. Yeah, it was insane.
Dr.
So I only got Dr. Pepper like once.
She's
So
been
I'm
drinking
so
Coke. Coke was
excited.
cheaper?
Yeah.
Weird.
Coca-Cola? Oh, Coca-Cola. That's what they call it. It's so much cheaper.
Weird.
Yeah. I'm so excited.
We're tracking Gage's movements. He's almost home.
I'm so excited. I missed him so much.
Just have his location on. We know exactly where he is.
Literally watching him.
Where's our house?
Can't see it yet. We locked all the doors, so he has to knock, and then Braylee's gonna answer. Oh my gosh!
Let's go. Let's get back.
This is Braylee's time to shine. Winston, are you so excited too? Winston's like, I know what we could do. Had so many plans. We're like,
So excited.
we're just gonna do this. You're a cutie. What if he goes in the garage? That's locked though too, right? Yeah. Is the back?
Yeah.
It's taking 10 minutes. Did you know?
I've been waiting so long for you to get home.
That's why I was like, where are you? What are you doing?
Oh, I missed you.
Crazy.
I've literally been home since 10,
Really?
waiting for you. Yeah.
That's so
Is that my beanie?
No.
Yes, it is.
I know everyone needs to return Braylee's stuff
I
that they've been
missed you
stealing.
so much.
It's crazy.
I just got off the phone with Casey. He's flying in tomorrow, so we're gonna go and meet up with him. But he doesn't know that Braylee's here, obviously, because none of us knew. And he was like, what time does Braylee land? And it was so hard for me to be like, 10 o'clock. I feel like I'm lying, but it's like a fun surprise, but it still feels like I'm lying. So hopefully everything goes well tomorrow. We're gonna go and meet up with him in Salt Lake and then I think stay the night. So it will be really fun because we'll get to like go to dinner in Salt Lake and maybe see some Christmas lights and stuff. So it'll be fun. But it just feels weird not telling him the whole truth, you know? How are you doing?
I'm so tired.
Really just said I've never been so tired in my whole entire
I
life.
feel like I can't even keep my eyes open.
It's a
I'm
long
like,
couple of days for you.
yeah.
Are you so happy to be sleeping in your bed tonight?
Yeah, I turned on my heater. Oh my gosh.
Braylee's
I
favorite
missed
thing.
it so much. I was sleeping so good, just barely.
Oh, you were? They just woke you up for the picture?
They woke me up at least 25 times. I was like, can I sleep in your room? And I was like, no, I don't want to wake up early for school.
You're like, maybe.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow we'll be surprising everyone else
Yeah.
with
Who's everybody
Braylee.
else?
Dad, Grandma Laurie,
Grandpa
the
Pony,
internet,
Taco
everyone.
Makoto.
Okay. Okay, children. All my children
I
back.
don't look beautiful
Back
in this
together.
Advent calendar.
Have you take a look at the pictures? It's fine. Okay, where do you guys want to?
I'm just so bad.
Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Cute. You guys, Braylee's home. I still feel like I'm in shock and it doesn't seem like it could be real. I'm so happy. She's in bed. I'm just finishing up a few things and it just feels so good to have all of my kids here. It almost feels perfect, but Casey's not here. The good news is we're gonna see him tomorrow and then we'll all be together again and then everything will just be just right and I can't wait. And now it just feels like the holidays are already happening and we just get to celebrate for the next 2 weeks together. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch tomorrow to see Braylee surprising everyone else. She actually stayed with my mom last night, so my mom got to see her, and then we're gonna go see Grandma Laurie tomorrow, and hopefully we can maybe go and surprise Markel and Jess too. I don't know what they have going on, but I thought that that would be fun if we went to like Markel's store and surprised her there, but I don't know. We'll just see what's going on tomorrow and what we need to get done, but I'm so excited. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.